I am never using a bristle brush to clean my barbecue again. A lot of us have heard the stories of people cleaning off their barbecues, finding bristles either on the barbecue or in their food. And I never thought something like this would happen to me. But last night I was cleaning my barbecue and I saw a little sparkle in the back just as I was about to fire up the grill. I took a closer look and it ended up being one of these small little bristles. I'm glad I caught it, but it has completely turned me off of the idea of using these kinds of brushes. So I started looking for a solution. There's a lot of options online. I think it's also really person to person of what works. I actually found some great options in our store here in Peterborough, so I'm gonna try them out today and see how they do. The three things that I got, first one here is the Grill Floss, which we're gonna use to kind of get all the really gunky stuff, like the big chunks. We're gonna come in with this spray, this Weber spray. We're gonna scrub and then we're gonna take it off and see what we got. Take a look at this. We got a lot that we need to get off here. All right, so these are great. It's gonna get all of that stuff off here. And if you want to get the bottom side too, you can just twist it around the bottom and then you got that there as well. Oh my, take a look at that. That is nasty. I'm gonna clean this off and then we're gonna spray some cleaner down and then let it sit and do its thing. This is a grill cleaner for the actual grates. Smells good. I'm just gonna try to get all of the surface area that I can. I think we've waited long enough. Let's try out the scrubber. This isn't actually attached, it's actually just these little spikies here that keep it in place. But once you press down, then it really stays together. Check that out. The difference between them right there. I think it's looking pretty good. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so if you really want to get absolutely everything on the grates, like really do a deep clean, you can definitely just take them off, clean them off the grill, but I think for most people, this is probably fine. Let's just do the top and then we'll wipe it off. If you take your finger across it, you can see that all the stuff that you were just scrubbing, now you can just wipe it off. So let's go get a wet paper towel. All right, we might need a few more of these, but let's just try this out for now. Well, it looks a heck of a lot better than when we started. And it didn't take that long, just a little bit of scrubbing. As always with grills especially, it's probably best to burn off any residual cleaner that might still be on it. You know, we've done our best to wipe it down and make sure it's clean, but yeah, always safe to do that. If you're used to using a bristle brush, you're gonna notice right away that it takes a little bit more elbow grease using this stuff to kind of get the same result. Like we had to use the floss to get in there to get the big stuff and then come in and spray. So it is a little bit more of a process, but I think you're gonna end up with a similar result or an even better result. And the peace of mind alone is worth it. So there's definitely a lot of ways to clean a barbecue. This is just one method that I decided to try, but I'm curious, are you getting rid of your bristle brush, or have you already? What's your method for cleaning your barbecue? I would love to know. I'm sure other people would as well. So make sure to let us know in the comments below. If you want to try the method that we used today, you can come into any of our stores to pick up these products, or you can even shop them online at friendlyfires.ca. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one.